Hello everyone. This worksheet is about sight words. So the title is Introducing Sight Words. Alright, so here it is written we will learn sight words using a trick. So let us see what is the trick. So here the child has to read R by following the steps that are given over here. So the word is R. So first the child will look at the word. Then the child will cover the word with their hands and then they will say and spell the word which is given over here. After that, they will uncover and check it whether they have spelled the word correctly or not. So you can follow this trick for them to learn different sight words. Over here it's given. Let's begin by identifying the words. So step 1 is see the word and say it aloud. Second is color the matching letter box. So over here the child has to see the word over here and then he or she has to color the matching letter box. So here the word is I, this word is M, this word is A and this word is I. So the child has to map the correct word over here and then they have to color this. After that another word is A. Here is on, R, A. So again the child has to match the correct letter box and then they have to color it. The next word is do. Here the words in the letter box are I, do, M. So this is the correct letter box. So the child has to color it. They can use pencil colors so that the words are visible over here. And the last sight word is N. So here it is given N, U, M. So this is the correct letter box and they have to again color it out. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को बेसिकली साइट वर्ड्स के बारे में बताया जा रहा है. साइट वर्ड्स को लर्न करने के लिए या उसको रीड करने की जो ट्रिक है वो भी यहाँ पे बताई जा रही है जो आप हर एक साइट वर्ड्स के लिए फॉलो कर सकते हो. और उसके बाद यहाँ पे बच्चों को कुछ वर्ड्स आइडेंटिफाई करके यहाँ पे लेटर बॉक्स में कलर करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. So the topic over here is sight words and in this worksheet the child has to say and write the given words. So the first word is I. So first of all the child has to trace the letter I and after that they have to write the same in the space given below. After that the next word is A. So first of all they will trace it and then they will write it on their own. The next word is do. So again they will follow the similar process, tracing and then writing the same. And the last word is N, A-N-N. So first they will trace it and then they have to write the same on their own. After that they have to do match the following. So they have to say the words and they will be matching the same with the correct word. So here the first word is do. So they have to match the same with the correct word which is given on the right hand side. Another word is N. So they have to again match it with the correct word. Next word is I. So again they have to read the words on the right side and match the same. And the last one is A. So they have to match the same correctly. तो यहाँ पे ये वर्कशीट में बच्चों को साइट वर्ड्स के बारे में बताया गया है। उनको साइट वर्ड्स को रीड करना है, उसके बाद ट्रेस करना है और फिर लिखना है, और यहाँ पे उनको साइट वर्ड्स को करेक्टली मैच करना है। तो आप उनको डे टू डे एग्जाम्पल्स भी दे सकते हैं जिसमें साइट वर्ड्स इंक्लूड होते हैं, जैसे डू योर होमवर्क, आई विल गो टू प्ले, राइट। सो ऐसे आप कुछ भी एग्जाम्पल्स दे सकते हैं जहाँ पे एवरी डे वो साइट वर्ड्स यूज करते हैं। थैंक यू। Hello everyone. Here the topic is sight words, and the child has to read and write the words over here. So the first word over here is it, I, T, it. So first the child has to trace the letter it, and then again they have to trace it, and then write it here in the space given below on their own. The next word is up, U, P, up. So the child has to trace it twice and then again they have to write it in the space given below. Another word is by, B-Y, by. So they will first trace it twice and then they have to write it on their own. And the last word is on, O and on. Again they have to write it here on their own. Make sure they are reading the words and then they are writing it. After that they have to read the word and match the word to its cloud. So here the first word is it. So they have to match it with the correct cloud after identifying the correct word. Here another word is up, UP, up. So again they have to match it with the correct cloud. Here it is BY, by. So again over here, and the last word is on, and they have to match it with the correct word or the correct cloud. तो यहाँ पे बच्चे साइट वर्ड सीख रहे हैं। कौन से साइट वर्ड सीख रहे हैं? इट, अप, बाय और ऑन। तो उनको रीड करना बताए कि कैसे उनको रीड करना है, और चाहे तो आप उनको एग्जाम्पल्स भी दे सकते हैं जो सेंटेंसेस में ये वर्ड्स आते हैं। ठीक है, सो उनको डे टू डे बेसिक एग्जाम्पल्स आप दे सकते हैं। द पेन इज ऑन द टेबल, सो ऐसे आप कई भी एग्जाम्पल्स दे सकते हैं। थैंक यू। Hello everyone. Here the topic is sight words, and the child has to read and write the words. So the first sight word over here is if. I-F, if. So the child first has to trace the word and then trace it again over here, and then they have to write it in the space given below. The next sight word is, I, as, is. And again they have to trace it over here and then write is over here. The next is go, G-O, go. So they will be tracing it twice and then they have to write it in the space given below. And the last word is my, M, Y, my. And again they have to trace it over here and then they have to write it in the space given below. So let the child read the words again once they are done with this. After that, the next instruction over here is read the word and match it. So they have to match this word correctly with the below given sight words. So here it is IF, if. So they have to connect this with the correct sight word. The next is is, IS, is. So again they have to identify and match the same. The next is go. So again they will identify and match it. The next is my. So they will again match it with the correct sight word. तो यहाँ पे बच्चे 4 साइट वर्ड सीख रहे हैं जो कि है इफ, इज, गो और माई. यहाँ पे वो लोग रीड करेंगे, उसके बाद उसको ट्रेसिंग और फिर राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. और आप उनको कई एग्जाम्पल्स दे सकते हो, जैसे कि द पेन इज़ इन द ड्रॉवर. और ये भी आप बोल सकते हो उनको कि आई एम गोइंग टू माई फ्रेंड्स हाउस, तो जिसमें माई आ जाता है. आई विल गो टू माई फ्रेंड्स हाउस, तो जिसमें गो वर्ड आ जाता है. तो ऐसे आप रूटीन जो एग्जाम्पल्स है वो सेट कर सकते हो और उनको ये रिवाइज करवा सकते हो. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. Here the topic is sight words. So the child has to read and write the words. So here the first sight word is he, H-E, he. So they have to first trace it. They have to again trace it and then write the same on their own. After that, the next is M, A, M, M, A, M, M. So they will trace it twice and then again write it in the space given below. The next word is R, A, R, E, R. So they will trace the word twice and then they have to write the same in the space given below. And the last sight word is for. So they have to trace the word for, F-O-R. They will be tracing it twice and then they have to write the same in the space given below. So once they are done with this, they will again read and write the words. After that, it is given over here, read the word and connect to the matching fish. So the first word is he, H-E, he. So they have to connect it over here. After that, the next word is M, A-M-M. So again they will be connecting over here. The next word is R. So they have to connect it over here with the correct sight word. And the last word is for. So here again they have to match it correctly with the given word. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को साइट वर्ड्स के बारे में बताया जा रहा है. उनको सबसे पहले रीड करना है, उसके बाद ट्रेसिंग करना है और फिर लिखना है साइट वर्ड्स को. तो आप उनको ये जो वर्ड्स है वो डे टू डे लाइफ एग्जाम्पल्स में आप सेट करके उनको बता सकते हो. दैट आई एम गोइंग टू द मार्केट, यू नो देयर आर 4 टोमेटोज इन द किचन. सो ऐसे करके आप उनको डे टू डे लाइफ में एग्जाम्पल सेट करके ये वर्ड्स का एग्जाम्पलर सेट कर सकते हो. Thank you. Hello everyone. This worksheet is about sight words. So here the child has to read and write the words. So the first word is has, H-A-S. So first the child will be tracing the word has over here. And then they have to trace it again over here. And then they will be writing it out over here. Another word is her, H-E-R, her. So here they will be tracing it first and then they have to write it on their own. Another word is she, S-H-E. So again they will be tracing it twice and then writing it on their own. The last word is the, T-H-E, the. So again they will be tracing it twice over here, and then they have to write it here on their own. So again let them read and write the words. After that they have to read and color the matching word box. So the first word over here is has. So they have to read the words given over here in the word box. So the first word is he, then it is has, and then it is in. So they have to color the matching word box. They can use pencil colors for doing the same. The next word is her. So again they have to read the words over here of, it and her. Please help them read the words if they are unable to do so, and then let them identify the correct word. Please guide them wherever required. The next word is she. So again over here they have to read the correct words, is, me, she. So they have to color the correct matching box. And after that the last word is the. So the, on and no. So they have to color the correct matching box. After that let them go through the words again, let them read it again. Please don't make them do any sort of rote learning. तो यहाँ पे ये वर्कशीट में बच्चों को साइट वर्ड्स के बारे में बताया गया है. ये वर्कशीट में वो लोग 4 साइट वर्ड सीखेंगे, हैज़, हर, शी और द. उसको ट्रेस करेंगे और लिखेंगे. उसके बाद उनको वो साइट वर्ड्स पढ़ने हैं और फिर उनको कलर करना है मैचिंग वर्ड बॉक्स ढूंढ के. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. The topic over here is sight words. So in this page the child will read and write the words. So the first word is you. So the child has to trace the word you first of all, and then they have to trace it again over here, and then they will be writing it over here on their own. The next word is his. So they have to first of all read it and then trace it and then write it again on their own. The last word is here. So they will be first tracing the word. Again they will trace the word over here and then they have to write the same on their own in the space given below. The next is read and color the matching words. So they have to read the words given over here and then they have to match it. Emphasize them on reading all the words so that they get habituated to reading the correct words. So here the first word is you. They can use pencil colors over here to color the matching words. So the first word is you. So they have to color it over here. The next word is his. So they will be coloring it over here, and the last word is here. So they will be coloring it over here. Please guide them wherever required. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को साइट वर्ड्स के बारे में बताया गया है. तो उनको सबसे पहले साइट वर्ड्स को रीड करना है, ट्रेस करना है और फिर खुद से लिखना है. और यहाँ पे उनको रीड एंड कलर द मैचिंग साइट वर्ड्स. तो उनको सबसे पहले साइट वर्ड्स को रीड करना है और फिर करेक्ट साइट वर्ड से उनको मैच करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. This page is about sight words. So here the child has to read and write the given words. So the first word is have. So first of all they will trace the word over here and then they will again have to trace it over here and then they will be writing the word on their own in the last box. After that the next word is from. So they first have to trace it twice over here and then they have to write it over here in the given space. The last word is come. COME. O M E. So they will be first tracing it again over here 2 times, and then they have to write the same on their own over here. The next part is read and circle the matching words. So the first word is have. So they have to read all the words given over here and then encircle the correct word. The next word is from. So they will be encircling it over here. After that it's come. So they have to encircle the correct word over here. Emphasize them on reading the words again and again. You can also ask the child to frame a sentence using these sight words. Thank you. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को साइट वर्ड्स के बारे में बताया गया है. तो बच्चों को सबसे पहले साइट वर्ड्स को रीड करना है, उसके बाद उसको ट्रेस करना है और फिर खुद से लिखना है, और उसके बाद उनको वापस से साइट वर्ड्स को रीड करना है और करेक्ट साइट वर्ड्स को सर्कल करना है. तो आप उनको बार बार ये रीड करवाते रहिएगा ताकि उनको साइट वर्ड्स रीड करना पता चले. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. The topic over here is sight words. So the child has to look at the cloud and write a sight word using the letters given in the cloud. So here some clues are given. So first of all, emphasize the child on making the sight words using the letters on their own if they are unable to do so, or if they are stuck somewhere. So you can give them the clues that are given over here. So the first sight word would be M, A, M. The next would be R, A, R, E. The next would be by. Next is N. Next is here. After that it's my. After that it's you. After that it's has. Let them read the words again over here so that they are able to recall whatever they have learned. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को साइट वर्ड्स के बारे में सिखाया जा रहा है. उनको ये क्लाउड में देखना है कौन से लेटर्स दिए गए हैं और वो लेटर्स को यूज़ करके उनको यहाँ पे साइट वर्ड्स बनाने हैं. और यहाँ पे क्लू भी दिए गए हैं. अगर बच्चा स्टक हो रहा है, उनको नहीं पता चल रहा है, तो क्लू से देख के वो लोग बना सकते हैं यहाँ पे. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page we are talking about sight words. So here the child has to do as directed. So the first is find the word for, F-O-R. So here one is done for the child so that they can follow the same procedure for the next ones. Next is find the word you. So they have to find it and they have to do the same process as done for the first one. So here the next word is you. So they will be doing it like this. After that it is given find the word R. So here is the word R. Let them use pencil colors or sketch pen to encircle the words. The next word is on, O and on. So it is given over here. Let them read the words once they have found the words. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को साइट वर्ड्स को आइडेंटिफाई करके उनको एनसर्कल करना है और उसके बाद वापस से उनको ये सारे वर्ड्स एक बार रीड करने हैं. थैंक यू.